Hello, welcome to our channel. This is our first session on YouTube. Today we are going to learn a software which is used for architects and for civil engineers. This software is known as REVIT. It has three variants, that is REVIT Architecture, REVIT Structure and REVIT MEP. It is an Autodesk software and also known as a BIM software because it gives the building information and the modeling. Basically, we can create plan, elevation, 3D view and also section view. And also it includes furniture making. It also helps us to create various structural design and landscaping. Revit is a user-friendly software and anyone can easily learn it. Now I'm going to show you some projects made in Revit and also give you an introduction about it. I have created a small PPT regarding it. You can just go through it. So these are the topics which we'll be having. This is basically our first session, so slowly we'll be covering up all these topics. Like it has wall, floor, ceiling, roof, glass building, doors, windows, staircase, railing, glass wall, landscaping, like pool area we can create, lighting and rendering. Like basically the floor plan will be as this. It has basically all the topics like how we cover up in AutoCAD, but this is in a advanced version. So this is our elevation view. This is our 3D view. So the 3D view looks like this. It gives you the complete interior as well as the exterior view. This is a bungalow created in Revit. It gives you the structural and the architectural components ready-made in it. You have to just design and give the real material. This is a glass building. Glass building is created in Revit. It has various structural twisted buildings as well. Landscaping. This view is being created specially for the landscaping part and the contouring area. You can also create a swimming pool, the artificial trees, as well as the complete material which is really used in normal days. This is the interior and the exterior view of day and night light. So now I'll be showing you some views which has been created in Revit. These are the bungalows and the commercial look which we have given in Revit. It has a poolside area, sitting area. These furnitures have been created. These furnitures have been created. We have artificial cars and all. The lighting effects, the stone effects which has been given here. Each and every detail has been given in Revit Architecture. This is a commercial kind of building. Here we have offices on top and the commercial storage, stores and showrooms available here. And also the building has been here. There are 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs given behind. This is exactly the same view in a night version. Swimming pool area. So these are basically some views which have been created in Revit. So now I'll be taking you to Revit architectural software. So this is the actual software in which we have created so many views, and It has basically giving us the floor plan, ceiling plan, elevation plans. So if you can go through the software, it has floor plan, ceiling plan, elevation plans, and we can easily get all four sides of elevation. It also has a property bar in which we can give the material thickness and change the height of the wall. This is a very user-friendly software. You can easily go through it once or twice and you will be easily getting to know the sketching part. Basically, Revit is completely known for its sketching. It has wall, doors, windows, components, columns, roof, ceiling, floor, curtain walls, railing, ramp, stairs, text. It has 3D text in it. It can give you a complete room area quantity takeoff. It has a various types of cutting in it. So I'll just make you get a small intro on Revit architecture with giving a small basic model on it. So I'll be showing you a small model. I will be showing you how to create a model with the help of a proper unit, that is feet and inches, which is basically used in the latest life scale what we are making plans and giving it to the customers or the clients or the business person. So they all work in feet and inches and also in meters. It's very easy. The shortcut key for units is UN. Go in length, go in meters, feet and fractional inches. Here we have to go with nearest to 1 inch, which will give you the accurate dimension. If we are going with meters, we'll be going with meters here and we'll be taking 0 decimal place. So whenever you're selecting your unit, it is basically like if you're having the whole complete page front of you which has feet and inches, you have to select feet and fractional inches and select the rounding to 1 inch. And if you're having the unit which is fractional inches, like completely you're only going into furniture making of inches, so you'll be setting your fractional inches and inches. Say OK. Now I'm going to show you a plan which is in feet and inches. So I'll go in the length, take feet and fractional inches and take nearest to 1 inch, which will give you the accurate dimension. I will take architecture wall. Now I will give the wall height which is given here below. If you can see, it is given here below, that is unconnected. I'm changing it to 10 feet. You can see to it I'm giving the value like 15 feet. Here I'm giving a turn. Now wherever I want to give my partition look, I can change it. So this is basically, I've just created a layout. Wall is easily available. We don't need to give any offset command here for trim and extend option. Now I've created my layout. Now I can create my partition walls to segregate the rooms. So this is how I have just created a basic room. Later I can even pick the wall and use the keyboard with the keys and move the wall. It is very easy. I had to not use line and use an offset. It was directly having an option of walls. Like I take architecture, take wall. In wall, there is an option of properties. Here I will have various thickness given to the wall. I can use 150 mm or I can use 200 mm. The basic wall which is being used, that is 6 inches for the interior wall, that is 150 mm, and 9 inches for the exterior wall, that is 230 mm. So anytime if I have to create my new wall also, I will be showing you that in my further session. So I'm just creating with 150 or 200 mm wall. So this basic simple layout which I have created, I will be showing you how I'm going to apply doors. And windows. Just be scaling this project now completely. Sometimes if we have an issue of the scale, I can just select the plan, go in filter. I just don't want my doors. I want only to select my wall, and I will be using my scale command. Select the object, filter. I will uncheck my door, apply OK, and simply scale my wall. Select the object, filter, uncheck my wall. Use my scale command. I will take door. Now if this has a bigger entry, I will be going in architecture, going in door. I will select load family. Furnitures, door. And I will be selecting a double door. It has various furniture components ready made in it. We have to just use it like this. So this is for the main door. Later I can use with door. I will take these basic doors which are available here. I will be using the space bar button for in and out. You can see that it's very easy, and I've given my doors here. Now I will be using some sliding windows. I will be taking architecture wall. In the same options of property, I will be scrolling it down. Here I'm having an option of store front wall, which I'm going to create sliding window. So for the sliding window, I will give a base offset of 1 feet and unconnected height would be 6 feet 5 inches. Unconnected means the total height of the wall. Sometimes if I want the wall height from base to be 3 feet, that is the sill height, and this should be 4 feet, the normal window. So that would be in the middle. So for now, I have just created the front facing windows. I'm not putting any windows at the back. Now to give a material to it, I will just go in, pick the wall, edit type, duplicate, rename, OK. Now I will be changing some material to the wall. We are having many options here for the material. We are having floor, metal, paint, site work, stone. They are having numerous options here, but we are going to use wall paint, which has two options, that is glossy and matte. We are going to use matte. I'll just give a shade to it, and even in this I can give them various shade option. Now after giving material, and now for this wall I had given a different material. I will show you all the complete thing in 3D. To see the complete plan in 3D, I had to just click on view and click on the house. Sometimes if this thing occurs, just click on this thrice. You'll get the same screen back. Just see your 3D view. To see the complete 3D view in a realistic way, you click on realistic. You can see the complete outlet which you have created. The layout, if I want to change the wall shade, I will go in edit type, not duplicate. If I have to only change the single material, I need to duplicate. If I don't want to change the single material, I will directly click on the wall. Example, I will click the wall, edit type, edit, go in material, pick any material, right click, duplicate, rename, and go in my asset browser. Here I will go in appearance and take wall paint, matte. Select my shade. If I want to change the shade in this, I will go in this option, apply, OK, OK. So the complete house has been changed into this light blue shade. I have not added any flooring in this. Now I will show you how we are going to add the floor. So to add the floor, I will go in level 1, go in architecture, wall architecture, floor architecture. Take these sketching options. As I said, Revit is completely of sketching. Take this and I will sketch the inner wall. And I'm gonna sketch this room. Basically, I want this flooring and this flooring material to be the same. So I have created it together. Finish. Go in edit. The same method. Duplicate. OK. Edit. Material. Select any material. Right click. Rename. Asset browser. Appearance library. Scroll down. Flooring. In flooring I have carpet, stone, tile. Whichever shade I want I can use. If I wanted a wooden effect, apply, OK, OK, OK. So this is how in 3D we are going to show you to create the complete model of flooring too. So in this thing we have created the windows, the wall, the material lookout, and the flooring. So I will give you the building height now. If I go in my elevation view, it's very easy to create a building. I want my wall height to be 10 feet. That's all. And when I go in my elevation view, I can go in any view and do the basic changes, that the height, and just double click here and click it on ground floor. Yes. Go in first floor. Would you like to rename the corresponding view? Say yes, and easily that will be available here. Ground floor and first floor is easily available here. Now I need to just go in architecture, take level, use pick line option like offset option in AutoCAD. If you already know AutoCAD, you might be knowing what is offset option. Basically in Revit, offset option is known as pick line. I'll take pick line and I will give you an offset option, that is 10 feet. Just pick this wall and move ahead. So basically I have just created this. I will go in my floor plan, ground floor, and create some balconies to the project. Pick the wall, use create similar to use the same wall. I am just picking these walls which I have created and changing the height, that is 1 feet, and also going to provide some railing to it. It's very easy, we just need to sketch. Finish, take railing, show you all again, sketch, take the sketch, pick this, and finish. So if we see the same thing in 3D view, we are ready with our railing also. I will create the floor for the balcony also. It's very easy, just use the architectural tool, take the floor, and you can start sketching. And finish. So here we can go in edit type, go in duplicate, rename, edit, and we can edit and give the material. So in floor we can have many other options like stone effect or anything which we want to use for exterior look also. So we are ready with our flooring, with our grill. Even in the grill we are having many other options like pick the grill. You can go in property options, you're having glass railings. This will give you the latest look. As I said, I had given the windows. I can also change the height. I can make it from 0 feet to 7 feet, and this would be 0. So I'm having the French window option. Now I am going to create a complete ground floor ceiling. Going in ceiling plan, taking ceiling, creating a sketch. Use the basic tool like split element. Use trim and extend and finish. So this is the basic ceiling which have been used here. So there's a basic small part here. I can re-edit it. Go in edit type. Split this portion. So now I'm going to show you how we are going to create a complete building with this easier way. Select the whole building. Go in copy, paste, align to selected levels. Select the complete floor except the and click on the ground floor. So you can see the complete view of the building. We have easily created the complete view. We can zoom and see we are having the complete balcony area. This is a very basic view. So today we have just gone to a small level and seen how Revit works.